In my continuing quest to find waste around the city, welcome to the Sound Transit Othello station. Sound Transit has spent $18 million in art for their various projects around the city. The one at the Othello station, I'll just take a look at it. Behold! This is a piece of crap, isn't it? We got a mortar board, a shoe, a bowl, and we got some haiku underneath. And you know how much I love haiku. Let's go read the haiku together. Colleen McElroy writes, "Come set the table. Grits, rice, collards, pens, and books. Shoes under each chair." What the heck does that mean? Here, let's go look at one more on the other side. The other one's really poignant. Pressed beneath his soul, I drink old rain through my feet. Yellow tassel sprouts. What does yellow tassel sprouts mean? Can anybody explain that to me? Now, Sound Transit has announced a public haiku contest. They're going to ask citizens to submit haiku about this art. They've left space on the wall for 20 plaques where they're going to post the winning haiku. I'm going to do a haiku contest on the blog as well. Leave yours in the comments. But I thought I'd get things started here.